Hi! In this video we are going to show you how to use a hole saw to drill through wood or a wall. Let's go! You're absolutely right. When you're using a hole saw to drill, if you don't hold and guide tool properly, it can use the following problems. The hole saw slips or moves around the surface. The hole ends up messy or off center. It might even damage the tool or workplace. First, remove the drill bit from the hole saw and place the hole saw on the surface you want to cut. Trace around the hole saw with a pencil or marker. Then screw in 4 screws around the hole saw and hold it firmly in place. Make sure it doesn't move at all. Now you're ready to drill the hole easily and accurately.